Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week is just a little bit surreal for me because, as you can see, MissPlanIt, we are actually the inspiration for this week's project. So we got a request from a community member and her name is Monique and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt, I love your brilliant mind and creativity of you and your team." Thank you, Monique. Gifts like these are God-given. I'm planning a small wedding. My husband and I got married in our pastor's study, and it was something. Between saying the wrong names and our children not being there, we want a do-over. We love the colors of navy, blue, ivory, with accents of hot pink and silver. Please, can you help us? You are the inspiration for what we are looking for. Well, Monique, we are absolutely flattered, and it's such a blessing to be a part of this special do-over for you. So we're going to show you how we combined both of these ideas to create an elegant candlelit vase centerpiece just for you, using as many Dollar Tree items as we could. So let's get started with this week's episode. Okay, guys, let's go. So 3 of the 4 vases actually come directly from the Dollar Tree. Our 4-inch votive candle holder, the 7¼ inch vase, as well as the 9-inch cylinder vase all come from the Dollar Tree. The 12-inch vase we did order, and don't worry because all of the links are in the description right below this video. So we're going to wrap each one of the vases in the same pattern of ribbon. So we are first using our silver ribbon, which is 1½ inches wide. And then we're going to layer that with our navy ribbon, which is 7/8 inches wide. And then finally, we're going to put one final layer with our fuchsia ribbon, which is actually 5/8 inches wide. And so the deal is we're going to use the same pattern, but we're going to place the ribbon in different sections of each of the vases, just making it more unique. Now, it's really your choice. Remember, we give you the plan, you make it your own. So if you would like to place the ribbon in the same area on each of the vases, that is perfectly fine too. Trust yourself. You know what you want. You can do it. For this project, we're going to use 2 techniques. One is going to require water, and we're going to use our hydrated gel beads that will allow our pearls to appear as if they are floating. We love that look. So first, we're going to just put a smattering of our pearl beads, whatever color you would like, and then we're going to put a layer of our hydration beads and repeat that. And for this particular size votive candle holder, we're doing 2 layers. Now, if you want to do more than 2, just be aware that you have to have at least 1/2 inch available at the top of your vase so that there will be enough water to first cover the beads and allow your floating candle to float. We're going to repeat these steps with our 7¼ inch cylinder vase, but the only difference is we're going to first fill in the bottom portion of our vase about 1 inch to 1.5 inches with our gel beads so that we don't waste our beautiful pearls underneath the ribbon where you wouldn't be able to see it. So from there, we're going to repeat it, and we're going to do 3 layers. And I'm just mixing the beads. There's no rhyme or reason. I just want you to trust yourself. You can do this. Before we get started, I made a little The last vase we completed with the pearls was actually 9-inch. We're using the 7 1/4-inch vase right now, and this is a dry option, meaning it doesn't require any water. So I simply filled up the 7 1/4-inch vase using just a crystal dazzle. You can also use just clear marbles or clear beads. All of those things can be purchased at the Dollar Tree also. And then I'm just simply inserting 1 butterfly orchid. Just simple, beautiful, just to pick up on that fuchsia color that our bride requested. Now we're going to move on to our larger vase. For our large 12-inch vase, we're going to bring in those beautiful calla lilies that our bride loves so much. We're going to cut them down or trim the stems down to 3 inches, 1 7-inch, 1 6-inch, and 1 5-inch. Also, I'm going to paint the stems silver. So you just paint the stems silver with just regular acrylic paint. Remember, the links are in the description below. You don't have to wonder where I got it from. And once it dries, give it maybe an hour or so to dry. They're ready for you to place. So we're simply going to place them into the dazzle, which I filled almost halfway, but not quite, of our vase. And then we're going to go ahead and add up to 5 butterfly orchids, just whatever your preference is, to create another pop of that beautiful fuchsia. So you have 2 different options. You can use both of them, or if you like one more than the other, then use that one. It's your plan. Well, Monique, what do you think? Absolutely gorgeous. And I absolutely love that pop of fuchsia that you suggested. It's beautiful. I want to mention that I set all of my vases on a 12-inch round glass mirror. Now, it's just an option. What I like when I use candles is I like to set my centerpieces on mirrors because the light will reflect off the mirror and it just gives it a beautiful glow. But again, we give you the plan, you make it your own. If you like this plan, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will receive a moment-by-moment notification from us the moment the video becomes up and running. If you would like to also, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. If you have not already signed up for your EBATES rebate account, what are you waiting on? It's free money. It's free. It's very simple. Go down to the description, click on the EBATES link, sign up for your account, the free account, FREE. When you're ready to shop, sign back onto your EBATES account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases. And then you will receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping experience. You got to do it, guys. It's so easy. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt shop store. We are so excited about it. We are getting such rave reviews about our different planning binders as well as our different dollar deals on our shop. So check it out. Tell us what you think. It's digital download, so it's available to you immediately. You don't have to pay shipping. You don't have to wait for it to get to you. You simply purchase it. You will have access to download all of the information immediately. It's quite wonderful. We love it. Also, don't forget our MissPlanIt Home channel is up and running. And on MissPlanIt Home, it's absolutely free. You go to our website or click in the corner and you have access to hanging out with me as I create DIY projects for my home, as well as the home of my family and friends. And right now on MissPlanIt Home, we are going to be working on holiday decor. So I'm going to show you how I decorate my house for less, starting with Thanksgiving, going all the way into Christmas. So be sure to go on our site and check out MissPlanIt Home channel. I'm so excited to spend extra time with you. Just a couple of reminders. If you have questions for us, please leave them in the comments. I answer the questions, me personally, not any of our other team members. Just give me a little time to get to them, but I promise you I will answer them. And you know what? We have such an awesome community that a lot of times they will answer your questions before I can get to them, but I will always back it up and make sure you have the correct information. Or if you just want to send a nice comment, some words of encouragement, you would be surprised how much positive words, how far it goes in helping us on those days when we're just pushing ourselves to be as excellent as possible. So by all means, send us a comment, ask us a question. In addition to that, if we can help you with the project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or simply go to the description below, click on the project request tab, and follow the easy steps. Please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up almost a year in advance, guys. So please, 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 do it early. I hate telling anyone no. In addition, don't forget the links to all of the supplies and the project costs are right below in the description. You don't have to wonder where we got it from. We have all the information there for you right there at your fingertips so that you can create the DIY wedding or project of your dreams. Well, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. But remember, if you want to hang out some more, head on over to our website and check out our MissPlanIt Home channel. Well, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. I'll see you soon. God bless.